So I'm just cutting out the dust shield right now, and I laid it all out as one single sheet. I think I got it right, and I'm hoping I can bend it okay. I'm just doing little slots, right? So I'd love to have a break for this. But anyways, I'm not recording the cutting part because sparks and camera lenses, they don't go well together. So we'll come back in a bit. But this is just to show what the layout looks like, what we're going for.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Babe, I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy alert you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
So you can see a little tack like that, there is hardly any heat input at all. It's a lot of amps, but just for a second. Let's go get this fit up, put in our holes, and we can make sure everything's where it is. And it's a lot easier to pop a few tacks and make a small change now than later. All right. See, our holes are a little bit off. That's okay. I can always move one way or the other. Okay, I thought about this a bit, and what I actually really want to do is just stick some rivnuts in here, and that's going to make it a lot easier to try to undo this, because anything I put in the back, of course, it can't spin. So I think this will be the ticket. The holes are a hair oversized, and I didn't make the holes in the cabinet, that's how they came. However, I'm going to use aluminum rivnuts, which are still plenty strong for an application like this, but they'll give a little more expansion, so I hope they'll bite onto this hole. Yeah, that worked out really well. It's nice and tight. I set these holes quite high up because I didn't want to be working right down in here. What I didn't think about though is the lower I put this, the lower the holes are on the bottom flange. I mean, of course, right? So hopefully that's okay. Let me find our bottom holes. Oh yeah, so I just screwed that up. You can see, whoops. So I gotta run this whole thing up another, well, a pen thickness, so it's at least 1/4 inch, probably closer to half. Well, shoot. All right, got some new holes. They're a little more right. And alrighty. Pulled a little too tight on that one. You can see, took a little bit of aluminum thread with it. Let's see, should be okay. If it's not, drill it out, do it again. Oh yeah, I think we're okay. Yeah, that came out great. That worked out actually better than I could have hoped for. A little bit of luck definitely involved there.
Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy allure you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
Alright, so here we are. Box is done. Got a whole row of parts. A table saw waiting to go together, which is cool. So that'll be the next video. We'll put this thing together. I'm just figuring out the electrical stuff on it right now. Anyways, guys, from Finn and I, thanks very much for joining us on another video. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the thumbs up button. It just lets me know that it's your cup of tea. And feel free to hit the subscribe. And feel free to hit feel free to hit the subscribe button too if you want to see a little more of this. And it'll just make sure that more of these videos come up a little earlier on your feed when you open up YouTube. So anyways, thanks very much, and have a good one, and we'll see you soon.